All right, guys, I'm going to work a little bit quicker through these two U-try problems. Again, you're checking your answers, so join me as we go through this. So calcium, all right, we have 66.0 grams of calcium, and we have 34.0 grams of phosphorus. So I'm going to divide by my molar mass, 40.08 grams of calcium. It's going to get me to moles of calcium. When I do that math, I should end up with 1.6467. Again, don't round early yet, okay? Because otherwise your answer could be a little bit off, and you might get some weird ratio piece, and we don't want that. Here, we should get 1.0978 moles. So step 3, divide by the smallest number of moles, which in this case is 1.0978. 1.0978. That's going to cancel out. That's easy math. So when we divide calcium by that, we get about 1.5. So I have to do step 4, multiply to a whole number. So 0.5 we're going to multiply by 2. So I would get 3 for calcium. Don't forget to multiply all the elements by that same number to keep the same ratio. So in this case, we would get Ca3P2. All right, that would be our formula for this compound. If you did not try this one on your own, pause the video and then see if you got the right formula for this last U-try. We've got 3 elements here. We've got sodium, we've got sulfur, and we have oxygen. Sodium, we have 32.38 grams. To get that to moles, I'm going to divide it by 22.99 grams. Okay, so sodium, I'm going to have 1.4084 moles. Sulfur, I have 22.65 grams. Oops, 65 grams. Divided by its molar mass of 32.07 grams. So I would end up with 0.6. Oh, what just happened? There we go. 0.6927 moles. And oxygen, we have 44.99 grams. Dividing it by 16 grams. All right, that's going to give me 2.8119 moles. All right, not last step, but next step, most important step, divide by the smallest number of moles. That's going to be 0.6927. So when I divide sodium by that, I'm going to get 2. Sulfur is pretty easy, right? Because that's just it dividing by itself. So that's going to be 1. And then the last one, 0.6927. All right, we should get 4 atoms of oxygen. So our formula would be Na2SO4. Again, you don't have to put the number 1 in there, right, when it's just 1 by itself. So go ahead, do practice 7, ask questions as you have those, and I'll see you guys in the next video.